Did you know that Hoatzin chicks are born with claws on their wings? Amazing, isn't it? Welcome to the show, let's start. The dusky robin, Melanodryas vittata, is a small passerine bird native to Tasmania. A member of the Australian robin family Petroicidae, it is known by many other names such as Dozey, sad, sleepy, stump, Tasmania a wood robin, native sparrow, or sad bird. This somber dark brown robin is characterized by a narrow line, starting from behind the eye to the rear of the ear-coverts, and white bars running down its wings. It lacks the bright colors of its robin relatives. The bird has short, slender bill and a moderately long tail, and it is much larger than other Petroicidae that occur in Tasmania. It is almost impossible to differentiate male from female in the field. They have no seasonal variation nor sexual dimorphism. Wow, it was a great effort. Let's do our part to protect wildlife around us. See you soon, take care.